In this video, I'm about to show you how to get both original audio and music audio to play at the same time for Instagram Reels. First, launch the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, tap the plus icon at the bottom to create a new post. Now, select the media you want to post and tap Next in the top right corner. You'll see the music icon at the top bottom bar and search for any music. After selecting the music, tap Done to add it. To get both sounds, swipe right the tools to select the volume mixer icon. Next, adjust the volume of the original audio to overlap both music and audio. If you want to add voiceovers, choose the voiceover option and record your voice. Then, adjust both sliders to control the balance between the original audio and music. Once you're done, tap Next and proceed to share your reel. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.